So open innovation is basically combining the external world and the internal world together to foster disruptive innovation. So it has been used for a long time by research and development. It is more recent, I would say, in the business field. What open innovation is bringing in the business these days is a way to accelerate and to enlarge the source of inspiration, bringing the outside world in, getting ideas, knowledge, collaboration, actors from the external world, collaborating with the inside, brings a lot of value and accelerates what we can do in terms of innovation, in terms of disruptive ideas, but as well in terms of rhythm of bringing innovation to life. We use open innovation at very different levels. So we can take the example of France and Germany, who are collaborating for many years with incubators. So it's a way to help the startup to develop, but it's also a way for us to be connected to what are the innovations coming up from this ecosystem. You have startup competition like we do, for instance, at Vivatech, but we have done it in other places where we launch problems to solve, that we want to solve, and then it's the problems are published, and the startups that believe that they have good solution for it, they submit, and we select them and they pitch in order for us to assess their own solution. You have hackathon that can be run outside or inside, where you arrive with an idea that you believe is a great idea, or you arrive with a problem and you have 48 hours with some other people invited to help you to solve it. Just to share another example that is close to my heart, it's the innovators community. So it's a patient online community of people facing cardiometabolic disease, and we ask them to collaborate with us in order to design new solutions. And the work they are doing these days is design the relevant feature for peer-to-peer platform collaboration, which is something that they have been identified as a major help for them. And in order to make sure that it will be good, they are designing it. Vivatech is one of the places where we, Sanofi, are practicing open innovation. And what is specific at Vivatech is that it's very focused on the collaboration between the big company like us and the startups, which is complex by definition because they are small entities, very fast to decide, very fast to put project to life, and we are a big corporation taking time for decision. So making project together is a bit complex, we have to recognize it. But this is extremely interesting and fruitful for us to share, to make these two worlds meet and interact, and so that's why I do recommend to visit Vivatech if you can.